Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the chapter Agriculture. Yesterday we have taught subsistence primitive agriculture in the type of agriculture. Now today we will read about another type, intensive subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture. We will read today about intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. This type of farming practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. For example, in India generally it is practiced in northern plains. Northern plains of India is highly populated areas of India. In subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Due to right of inheritance leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered land holding size uneconomical. In this type of farming, there is huge population pressure in the area. The farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. So there is enormous pressure on agricultural land. It is labor intensive agriculture where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Now we know about the problem of intensive farming. Division of land through successive generation leads to plot size getting smaller and smaller due to right of inheritance. This makes it possible to properly manage the farm inputs. There is a huge pressure on the agricultural land due to highly population. Multiple cropping is practiced, so need to high dosage of chemical fertilizer for containing the fertility of soil. Land is not left barren so that the soil regain its fertility. Thus the farmer use excess amount of chemical fertilizer to get the waste output. Moreover, large scale farming is not possible in that case. Third type of farming is commercial farming. In commercial agriculture, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. The area cultivated is very large. It is a capital intensive. It means need a large amount of money for growing crops. Most of the work done by machines, so it is also called a technology intensive. Chemical fertilizers practiced, insecticides are used in a high amount. Farmers uses high yield variety seeds for getting maximum output. This type of farming generally practiced in a state like Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, parts of Maharashtra. Rice is commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana, but Odisha it is a subsistence crop. In the Punjab, rice is grown only for the sale in the market. So in the Punjab and Haryana, it is falls in commercial crop. But it is in Odisha, it is grown only for subsistence. So it is in the Odisha, it is falls in subsistence crop. We know about the plantation agriculture. It is also a type of commercial agriculture. In this type of farming, a single crop grown on a large area. So plantation agriculture falls in commercial agriculture. More capital needed in this type of farming, so it is also called a capital intensive. Large number of workers required, so it is also called a labor intensive. Final output of the plantation is used in the various industries, for example tea, coffee, rubber, sugar cane, banana. Plantation requires a well developed network of transportation, communication, processing industry and a good market. Tea in Assam and North Bengal coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Since the production is mainly for market, a well developed network of transport and communication is needed in this type of farming. That's all for today. We will discuss another part of the chapter in next video. Thank you.